I'm a big fan of tools, particularly vintage tools. So when I saw these boxed mitre clamps at the boot sale the other day, I had to get them. I've tried a few mitre clamps in the past, but I've never seen these ones with spring-loaded bits to keep everything tight. I've always got things I need to frame, so I thought I'd give them a go. I bought some little printed cards that I've been meaning to frame and get them up in the bathroom. So I'm going to do that. I've already cut down some strips of oak on the table saw to use for this frame. So on the back of this box, it actually tells you what you need and how to make picture frames. So the first thing I need to do on these bits of wood is cut a little rebate for the glass and the actual print to go in. And it explains that. So you need your glass, your print, and then a backing board. So what I have is my print, a mounting board, and then I've bought a clip frame because I find this is the cheapest way to get your glass and the backboard. So I'm going to take the clips off and then I can just use the glass and the bit of hardboard. With the picture in the frame, I can see it's about 5mm thick, so I need to cut a rebate in the frame for it to go into. But I'm going to go for about 9mm deep so that I've got room to get some tacks in to hold it all in place. I want the recess to be about 8mm in, so I'm going to get the fence moved over and get it cut. Right, there are loads of ways to cut mitres, but I'm going to do it on the table saw with a mitre gauge. So to get this put together, I'm going to start with my longer sides and get them slid into place. Right, 2 longer ones done, so now let's get some glue onto the mitres, get the short ones pushed in, and that should be it clamped up. Now just bring the last side into place and we have it all together. So I need to make another 3 of these. I'm going to leave this to dry overnight, get 3 more made, and I'll see you tomorrow. The corners on these are pretty chunky, so there's lots of glue surface. So I think they're quite strong, but I've got the means to reinforce them simply, so I'm going to. My simple method for doing it are these little V-nails. You can get special tools to install them, but I just hold them in place with a pair of long nose pliers and tap them in. Now, because my artwork is on a white background and with a white frame, I think these are going to look great ebonized. So I've got some India ink that I'm going to get them stained with. On top of the India ink, I'm just going to finish it with some beeswax oil. So now I need to get the artwork actually put into the frame, and there's several ways we could hold it in place. Use some tacks, use some tape. I've got these little pins that you just push into place. I'll try and find a link to this tool to stick under the video, along with the V-nails as well. Right, let's get all these put into place. I have this nice little bit of wall here, which I think is going to be perfect for them. I'm pleased with how these look in here, and it's only taken me 2 years to actually get round to doing it. Now, I'm not saying you should always buy new tools. Well, maybe that's something I have a bit of a problem with myself, but actually buying this at the boot sale motivated me to do it. Sometimes a new tool just forces you to do things and try things, and these were only £2 and they work well, and I'm sure I use them again. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.